Review on this camera because I have two of them for my two kids. These are really nice 1080p digital camera for kids. What I love about this though, you could zoom in 16 time digital zoom in. It's lightweight, autofocus, and I'm going to show you real quick what's in the box. So this is our beautiful camera right here. It's very lightweight. You got a nice little strap so you could hook it on so the kids don't drop it easily. It's a nice little screen right there, and you got a lot of buttons like from zooming into video to taking pictures, the flash power. You got a mic, and then you could screw this on a selfie stick. So if you want a video game or you want to take some selfie pictures and stuff like that, it's pretty good. So what I love about this company and what they did, they sent a memory card of a 32 gigabyte, which is amazing because if you have to buy that separate, it's a lot more money. You have a nice charger, and then you have a USB. You have a cleaning wipe so you could always clean it. A nice leather soft pouch to hold your camera. It fits perfectly inside of it. Listen, I gotta tell you, for the price, they send a lot of stuff and everything you need. It's a very affordable price, good review on Amazon, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's pretty good. And just push it in gentle, and you're gonna click. This is where your charger is gonna plug in right here. And what are we gonna do? This is your power button. We're gonna turn this on. You just hold it down. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. See that? Now it tells you to zoom in. We're gonna have to figure out this. My kids know all about this, by the way. It tells you to flash on and off, and then we have like video in. No file. Oh, that's to check your file. So we zoom in there, and then we're gonna zoom all the way out. See that? It shows better when you watch in real life. Press the M right here. It tells you the logo right there. That's a camera. So now we're on the camera. We're gonna take a picture. Ready? Oh, nice. And then if we want to see the pictures, I think we press right here. All right, I'm still figuring this out. But so far, the kids love it. They know how to, control and work this thing pretty good. It's a really good camera. Very good Christmas gift coming up, birthday gift or any gift. Check in the description box. Highly recommend this camera.